Alright, today we're going to fix a piece of siding. I got a piece of siding here. It's got a hole in it. This is a garage that we did here probably a month, maybe a month and a half ago there. That a rock got thrown through a piece of siding. This is vinyl siding. I'm just going to teach you how to do the basic, how to replace a piece like that and fix it. It's really a pretty simple process. It's really not too bad. I'll go through it. I'm going to start off with the tools we need. So I've got I call it a zip tool. It just looks something like this or something like this. Kind of gets in there. You can take that off. Get under there. I need a cat's paw to get the nails out. Sometimes a little easier. Just a hammer. Anything you need that way. I got a pair of 10 snips. That way I can just cut the siding here. I got a piece of siding on the ground here. You can kind of see that. So we'll go from there. Then I got a box of just 1.5 inch roofing nails is all you need. Just something with a head. So, and we'll kind of go from there. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get the siding off. So I'm gonna start here. I'll kind of point that way. Hopefully see it here. Maybe you can see what I'm doing here. I'm gonna start off. I'm gonna get underneath the one that we're trying to work. Side here. Go to the end. See what that is. Go. Sometimes you have to go to the end, make it easier. It's not too long. I'm going to take the nails off this one. Find my nails. Alright, so that piece is off. So now we're going to measure. Since that one goes to the right tab, so we're going to measure off that tab. .5 inches off that right tab. I'll show you how to do that. So we're going to measure off this tab. 64.5 inches. If we get a square right about now, mark that. We're marking a couple different spots here. Don't have a square with me right at the moment. This is kind of a last minute deal. Didn't have time to go get much, so grab the 10 snips. now, we're just going to slide this in, back into place. There it goes. You don't want it too tight, not too loose. So I'm going to use these nails again. I took out because I got them. They're all still pretty good, so going out of the crack. Hold this up. Put those back and you do not want to nail this tight. You want to leave this loose. It's got room to move. This has to be able to move here. We're going to go in where it's just touching, but not much else. Okay, so that piece is up. Take my little zip tool again. We're gonna work that back underneath. And be careful, this stuff is kind of brittle at times, especially if it gets cold. We're gonna work that back. Pull that down. Pop that right back in. And it's fixed. Put this back in where it goes and put that back on it. It's fixed.